Welcome back to the channel. Today we are standing in the presence of hypercar royalty, an absolute titan of engineering that marks the beginning of a brand new era. This is the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon, and trust me when I tell you, everything you thought you knew about automotive speed is about to be rewritten. Stepping up to the exterior, the Tourbillon looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. Bugatti kept their legendary horseshoe grille, but every single line, curve, and air intake on this body exists for pure aerodynamic purpose. Look at the massive active rear wing and that ultra-aggressive rear diffuser, which is integrated directly into the crash structure to shed weight. Add in those dramatic electric butterfly doors opening up to the sky, and this car looks like a multi-million-dollar fighter jet parked on the asphalt. Swing open those doors and step into the interior, where analog art meets futuristic design. The highlight here is the instrument cluster, designed by Swiss watchmakers using over 600 titanium components, ruby bearings, and sapphire glass. The center hub of the steering wheel stays completely fixed, while the outer rim turns around it, keeping your instruments perfectly visible at all times. Now let us talk about what is sitting under the hood, because Bugatti did the unthinkable. They retired the iconic W16 and replaced it with an absolute monster, a naturally aspirated 8.4-liter V16 engine, co-developed with Cosworth, that revs all the way out to an ear-splitting 9,000 RPM. But they did not stop there. Joined by 3 electric motors powered by an 800-volt hybrid setup, this machine pushes out a terrifying 1,800 horsepower. Naturally, performance like this comes with a price tag to match. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon starts at approximately 4.1 million US dollars, or around 3.8 million euros. And with production strictly limited to just 250 units worldwide, owning one is not just about having money. It is about owning a rare piece of automotive history. When you are traveling at almost a third of the speed of sound, safety is everything. Bugatti built the entire chassis out of an ultra-rigid T800 carbon composite monocoque with 3D printed structural components designed to absorb massive impact forces. Paired with state-of-the-art carbon ceramic brakes, advanced all-wheel drive torque vectoring, and high-speed stability control systems, the car works continuously to keep all that raw power firmly planted on the tarmac. In summary, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is not just a replacement for the Chiron, it is a statement. By combining mechanical clockwork artistry with modern high-performance electrification, Bugatti has created a hypercar that feels emotional, raw, and completely unmatched in the modern world. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved getting an up-close look at the ultimate hypercar, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments on that sensational analog dashboard, and hit subscribe so you never miss another deep dive into the fast lane. Catch you in the next one.